Now this is the second video of our duck curing, duck prosciutto. You can see the bag. All the ingredients have gone in, so you can see that I cut up the leaves, and they smell amazing. You've got to have them fresh from the garden. I think it makes all the difference. Dry bay leaf is not the same, so it's very easy to keep your own tree. You can see a little bit of the brown sugar in the salt. Now what I did is I rolled the bag, if I go out a bit, so you roll the bag over, then you partially seal it, and then you push it down the last bit when you've got all the air out, because what you're after really is as little air as possible in the bag. And then it just goes in the fridge. You turn this bit over, and in the morning there'll be a little brine that's formed, and then the best thing to do is keep turning it and giving it just a little massage, and that will help the marinade go in. Now you can always double bag it and add another bag on top, just in case of leaks. Some people vacuum pack it, but it's pretty much okay, good to go. So we'll have to rejoin me now in a couple of weeks when this has actually had a lot of the moisture pulled out. And if we think of the chemistry or the biology behind it, what we're doing is we're making it inhospitable for the microbes to grow. So the microbes obviously don't like it when it's salty and don't like it when there's too much sugar. And the idea is the salt and the sugar pulls moisture out, but also gives it flavour as well. So salt and sugar will travel into the meat, and water will travel out of the meat. And that's what we call a genuine dry cure. But it'll make something a little bit like ham, but a bit stronger.